Hello guys. So I'm doing a Magic the Gathering talk about a card. And what a good way to start. Oracle of the Alpha. It's a 1 blue and 2. When Oracle of the Alpha enters the battlefield, conjure the power 9 into your library, then shuffle whenever Oracle of the Alpha attacks, grind 1. So translation, when this team comes in the battlefield, you get all the moxes, you get all the timed shenanigans, and the draws. So yeah. So just imagine when you make more and more and more and more of him. Yeah, this bird right here is difficult to deal with.